everyone, my name's Allie and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a few tips on how to successfully grow peas in containers, from what size container to use, when to sow your seeds, and more. I've grown quite a few different varieties of peas in my container garden over the years. I have a few different seed varieties here, including dwarf gray sugar pea pod, snow pea snowflake peas, and Oregon sugar pod peas. The ones I am showing in my video today are the Oregon sugar peas. These were planted directly in the container in early spring, and I've planted about 6 to 8 seeds in this one container. I recommend using a container 10 to 14 inches wide and deep for peas, and of course the bigger the container, the more seeds you can plant. For peas, you want to sow the seeds about 1 inch deep and leave about 2 to 3 inches in between your plants. Peas are fairly fast to germinate. They usually will germinate in about 7 days, and the varieties I am growing in my container garden are all a little bit more compact, so most of them only grow to be about 2 to 3 feet tall, and the most important thing when growing them in a container is to make sure you install a trellis. Peas will grow on a long vine, so you do need to provide support if you're growing in a small space like I am. All peas are cool season crops, which means that they thrive in the cool temperatures of spring and prefer a temperature range of 40 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 4.5 to 21 degrees Celsius. You don't want to plant peas too late in the season, as heat will significantly impact the plants. They'll start to yellow, the leaves will go brown, and overall your peas will not hold up throughout the summer. So plant them in early spring, get them in the ground as soon as you can. They can tolerate cooler temperatures, so as soon as it hits 40 degrees Fahrenheit and above where you live, you can go ahead and start sowing your peas. Of course, make sure to check the frost date for your area to be certain. When growing peas in containers, you want to make sure to put them in a sunny location that receives full sun anywhere from 6 to 8 hours per day, and maintain a regular watering schedule. Peas like growing in moist, well-draining soil, so make sure to check on your plants regularly, especially if temperatures are nearing 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Typically, peas are ready for harvest in anywhere from 60 to 70 days, but check the seed packet of the variety you are growing, as each one may be slightly different. You'll want to harvest your peas when they are tender and the pod is still edible. At least that's the way that I like to enjoy them. If you wait too long to harvest, your peas will start to develop larger inside, and that will also change the taste of them. So if you want to eat the whole pod, make sure to harvest them when the peas are still at a smaller, more immature size. That will also bring you the best flavor. You'll see here that a few of my peas I let go a little too long, and the actual peas inside of the pod are much larger, so I prefer to pick mine before they get to this size. Of course, continue to harvest and pick your peas from the plant. This will signal to your plant to keep producing new peas for you to enjoy, and with this, you'll get a decent harvest off of one container. I hope if you guys enjoyed this video and my tips on growing peas in containers, that you'll leave me a like, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.